What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Yeah, this office is a mess, okay? One quick video. This is going to be a quick one of all days. When you depend on stuff to work in your office, like this goddamn HP piece of shit, this is what you do. I'm going to show you what we do with equipment, because I'm a little fed up today. So what you want to do, all right? I want to take a deep breath because I'm a little upset. You want to take this piece of shit, bring it outside, all right? Excuse me for the language because I don't normally swear on this channel. But it bothers me to no end when you need it for one little thing and it gives you the paper jams and the freaking ink bullshit, because it's all bullshit. This is what you do. Bring it outside, put it somewhere nice and neat like this, and then you do this. And that's how you take care of it. Let me get back onto Amazon. I gotta order me a new printer. Have a good Easter, everybody. Hey, don't forget to subscribe, share. And you don't really have to like the video. This one's, it is what it is. All right. Buy quality next time. Thank you. Have a nice day. Yo, Sonny, are you anywhere, son? Where are you, kid? You in that fire pit? I don't think so. Sonny!
We're over here looking for Sonny. If anyone knows where he is, can you tell me? Sonny? Sonny? You up there?